Next problem is y equal to modulus of x square minus 6x plus 5 plus modulus of x minus 3 plus x. Define the function. So we have to define the function. So if you want to define the function, that means you have to remove the modulus. Next problem is y equal to modulus of x square minus 6x plus 5 plus modulus of x minus 3 plus x. Define the function. So we have to define the function. So for that we have to remove modulus. Okay, so this modulus and this modulus we have to remove. So for that what we know, that where inside quantity is positive. So this one where is positive and this one is when is positive or negative, that we have to check. So to check here, what you will do here, x square minus 6x plus 5, here we will apply wavy curve. So we are taking this one greater than equal to 0. Okay, so this one factor what will become x minus 1 into x minus 5 is greater than equal to 0. So 2 point will come 1 and 5. So you can see this side positive. If 1 to 5 if you check, so this is negative, this is positive. So the ultimately it will come negative. And if I take this side, this is negative, so total is positive will come. So we can say that in this interval and in this interval, inside quantity is what? Positive, and in this interval, inside quantity is negative. Second thing, this one. So here critical point what will come? X equal to 3. Okay. So here also what we can see, this is 3 point. Okay. So right hand side 3 if you take any value, so we can say inside quantity is what? Positive. And left hand side if you take any value, then this inside quantity is what? Negative. This will get. Okay. Now what you will do, we will draw a line. And here we will draw critical points. Okay. So this one critical point is what? 1 and 5 will come. 1 and 5. And this one critical point is what? 3. So we will draw all the critical point. So what will come here? 1, 3 and 5. So here we will draw line, vertical lines. So here what will come? How many partition will come? 4 partition will come. This point is what? 1. So partition 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 partition will come. Now first thing we have to check this one, x square minus 6x plus 5. So x square minus 6x plus 5, it is positive, left hand side of 1 and right hand side of 5. So here we can say x square minus 6x plus 5 is what? Greater than 0. Okay, and this side if I check, so x square minus 6x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. Equal to 0 because at 5 it is equal to 0, and here also we can take equal to 0 because at 1 equal to 0 will come. Okay, now between 1 to 5, x square minus 6x plus 5, between 1 to 5 it is what? Negative. That means here also it is negative, here also it is negative. So let's separate. X square minus 6x plus 5 is less than 0 in this interval also and in this interval. So x square minus 6x plus 5 is less than 0 in this interval. Correct? So in first section this one is positive, in second section this one is negative, and in third section also this one is negative, and in fourth section also this one is positive. Okay, this we got. Now what about x minus 3? So x minus 3, right hand side of 3 is what? Positive, and left hand side is what? Negative. So this is 3. Okay, so this side is what? X minus 3 is what? Negative. So that means x minus 3 here is less than 0, and here also x minus 3 is less than 0. Okay, equal to 0 we can take here. Correct, because at point if I put 3 here, so we will get 0. Correct. Similarly in this side x minus 3 is what? Positive, and here also greater than 0. Now we will define function. So how to define function? Y equal to, there are 4 interval will come. One is minus infinite to 1, second is 1 to 3, third is 3 to 5, and fourth is 5 to infinite. So first is minus infinite to 1. 1 is close we are taking. So in this interval, inside quantity of modulus x square minus 6x plus 5 is positive. So this one we write as it is, y equal to x square minus 6x plus 5. Okay, now this one inside quantity what? X minus 3. So x minus 3 what? Negative. So here what will come? Plus x minus 3 into minus 1. Okay, and plus x as it is will come. So here we write plus x. So here what will come here? Y equal to what will come? X square minus 6x plus 5 minus, if you multiply here what will come? Minus x plus 3 plus x. So this one you can simplify. So what will come here? Y equal to x square minus x plus x getting cancelled, minus 6x plus 5 plus 3 is what? Plus 8. This will come. So minus infinity to 1, what will come? Y value? X square minus 6x plus 8 will come. Then 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3. If x belongs to 1 to 3. Okay, 1 we can take open here. Okay, because here already included. Now here 1 to 3, you can see x square minus 6x plus 5 is negative. That means this is negative. So what you will do? Inside quantity into minus 1. So what will come here? Y equal to x square minus 6x plus 5 into minus 1 plus x minus 3. So here x minus 3 is also negative. So what will come? Inside quantity into minus 1. So plus x minus 3 into minus 1 and plus x will come as it is. So here what will come? Y equal to minus x square plus 6x minus 5. Then here what will come? Minus x plus 3 plus x. So here x getting cancelled. Y equal to what will come? Minus x square plus 6x minus 5 plus 3 is what? Minus 2. So x belongs to 1 to 3, what will come? This one will come. Next is what? 3 to 5. So x belongs to 3 to 5. 3 is what? Here we are taking close. So here we have to take open 5. Okay. See, here we are taking 5, we are taking open. Okay. Next interval we can take close. So 3 to 5 use it. This one is inside quantity is negative. So here what will write? Y equal to same we write minus x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay, this one into minus 1. So directly we are writing minus x square plus 6x minus 5. If you multiply here minus 1, we will get this one. Now x minus 3 is what? Positive. That means this one is positive. So here what will learn? Plus of x minus 3 plus x. This will come. So from here what will come? Y equal to minus x square plus 6x plus x plus 8x minus 8. This will come. And last interval is what? X is 5 to infinite. So that I am writing here. If x belongs to 5 to infinite, then what will come? Y. So in this interval you can check this one is positive and this is also positive. That means this one is also positive, this one is also positive. So what you can write? Y equal to x square minus 6x plus 5 and plus x minus 3 plus x. Okay, as it is we will write because both are positive. So what you can write? X square minus 6x plus x minus 4x plus 2. This will come. So like that we have to define function. Okay, in 4 interval will come. This interval, this one and last is what? 5 to infinite. So like that we will define.